Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover TikTok trend embroidery, DIY project for beginners. Embroidery has become a popular trend on TikTok, inspiring crafters worldwide to pick up their needles and threads. From quirky designs to personal expressions, this DIY project offers beginners a chance to join the fun and create their own embroidery masterpieces. Here's a guide to help you get started. Why is embroidery trending on TikTok? Creativity on display. TikTok's short-form videos showcase quick, inspiring tutorials and time-lapse creations. Accessible craft, affordable and easy to start, embroidery is perfect for beginners. Personal expression, embroidery allows creators to share their unique style and ideas. Relaxing activity, many users find the craft meditative and calming. Getting started with TikTok-inspired embroidery? 1. Gather your supplies. You don't need expensive materials to begin your embroidery journey. Here's what you'll need. Embroidery hoop. A 6-inch hoop is ideal for beginners. Fabric. Start with cotton or linen for ease of stitching. Embroidery floss. Choose vibrant colors inspired by trending designs. Needles. Use embroidery needles with larger eyes. Scissors. Small sharp scissors work best. Transfer tools. Use fabric markers or carbon paper to trace designs. 2. Choose a TikTok-inspired design. Browse TikTok for trending embroidery ideas. Popular designs include cute animals or plants, minimalist line art, inspirational quotes, pop culture references, abstract patterns. Save or screenshot your favorite designs for reference. 3. Transfer your design. Transferring your design onto fabric is simple. Print or sketch the design. Place the fabric over the design and trace using a fabric marker. Use a light box or window for better visibility if needed. 4. Learn basic stitches. Mastering a few basic stitches will help you create stunning designs. Backstitch, ideal for outlines and text. Satin stitch, perfect for filling shapes. French knots, add texture and detail. Chain stitch, great for borders and decorative effects. TikTok tutorials often break down these stitches into easy to follow steps. 5. Start stitching. Secure your fabric in the hoop, keeping it taut but not stretched. Begin stitching your design, starting with simple sections before moving to detailed areas. Tips for success. Take it slow. Focus on precision over speed. Experiment. Combine stitches to add texture and dimension. Engage. Share your progress on TikTok to get feedback and inspiration. Practice. Don't worry about perfection. Every stitch improves your skills. How to showcase your work. Frame your embroidery for home decor. Add it to clothing or accessories for a custom look. Gift your creations to friends and family. Share videos of your process on TikTok to inspire others. Conclusion. Embroidery is a rewarding and creative hobby that's perfect for beginners. With inspiration from TikTok trends, you can create fun, personalized projects that showcase your unique style. Gather your supplies, pick a design, and start stitching your way into this popular crafting trend today.